Hey guys, so I already started my eyebrows. If you guys want to see a video of me doing my eyebrows, it's going to be right here. But that takes a little bit of time, so I just wanted to get started. I'm going to go ahead and use some tape just so I can put it on my eyes and, you know, create that clean, sharp line. And I don't have to worry about getting messy or anything like that because when I take it off, it'll be clean. Okay, so I am going to start off by putting some concealer on my eyelids. Just a little dot. I'll go ahead and blend this in. Now going into the Jaclyn Hill palette, I'm just going to take the shade, actually she's does not have the shades on here. I'm going to put the shade name right here. It's going to be the top row, third color in. And I'm just going to go ahead and put this all over my lid. Now getting into this shade right here, I'm just going to go ahead and put this into my brow bone. Not brow bone. I'm going to put this into my crease. This is going to be like my transition shade. Now I'm going to go on top of that shade with this orange shade and I'm just going to blend it in. You want to bring it down a little bit lower than you had the original colors. Now there is this shade right here. It is really nice and pretty and purple, but I think I'm going to go ahead and get into the Maybelline X Shayla palette. This is their mini city palette, or their city mini palette. And I'm going to take the purple shade in that one. And I'm just going to go ahead, I was trying to see if it had a name. I'm just going to go ahead and blend this right lower than the crease, but like not too into the lid, if you know what I mean. And I'm just going to pick up another Morphe M439, or actually it's an M441. And I'm just going to put this right here. I'm going to go back into that transition shade and just blend this out again, except this time I'm going to blend that orange with it as well, and then just kind of go over it. So now I'm going to go into this shade and I'm going to put this on the lower third of my lid. Also, don't be afraid to use your fingers because your fingers work great and they pack on so much more product than the brush will. Look how much that pops. So now back into that brown shade, I'm just going to go ahead and blend all of this out. Now for the brow bone, I'm going to go ahead and go into this shade right here. And I'm just going to sweep that into the brow bone. So now for the inner tear duct, I'm just going to go in with this lighter shade here. And then just apply it in the inner tear duct. If you guys want it to look like more vibrant than it already is, which is super vibrant already as you can see, you're more than welcome to just spray like some Fix Plus on it and it will make it brighter. So next I'm going to go into my Wet n Wild Mega Liner. This is in the color Black Narrow. So for moisturizer, I'm going to be using the La Roche-Posay Lip Scar Balm. This is their Intense Repair Moisturizing Cream. So for primer, I'm going to be using my Benefit Porefessional. This is like probably my holy grail. I would say this freaking primer is the bomb, okay? So I'm definitely going to color correct using the orange concealer from LA Girl Pro, or LA Girl. I'm using the Pro Concealer in the color orange. I always do this just because I feel like I have like discoloration around my mouth area and I get a little dark underneath my eyes. And when I don't do this, I feel like I don't like how my makeup looks. So for foundation, of course, I'm going to be using my favorite, the Fenty Beauty by Rihanna. I am in the shade 350. If you guys want a full review, it's going to be right here. I love this stuff, and I actually just recently had to get some more because I was out. I'm thinking about doing an empties video for you guys, and this will be in there, and I'm pretty sure that Benefit Porefessional is going to be in there because it's pretty empty already. I like to just dot this all over my face and blend it out with a Morphe M439. Now I do prefer a brush with this foundation, as you guys know, but it works very, very, very good with a sponge as well. So you guys, I didn't realize I was recording. I just went ahead and took that same R22 and the shade that I used to pack onto my lid, and I just brushed it underneath my lash line, and then I applied some mascara. I'm just using the Maybelline Big Shot Colossal Lash or the Colossal Big Shot Volume Express from Maybelline. This is the Shayla collaboration. They actually still have them in stores if you guys never got the chance to get your hands on it. So yeah, because I really love that mascara. It's a really good mascara. So for lashes, I'm just going to be using the lashes from Revive. They are in the style Viva Las Vegas. I did pick these up from TJ Maxx for about $3.99. So I'm super excited to see how they look. As you can see, they are super, super adorable and nice and full. So I'm excited to see how this glams up this look that we have going here, because we're going to just glam up the eyes a lot, and for the lips we're going to stick with kind of like a nudie shade, just because I want the eyes to be the main focus of this look. Ooh, look at that. So now that I got the eyelashes on, I'm just going to go ahead and apply some more mascara just to blend those in, and then I'm going to apply some to the bottom lash, and then we'll apply some eyeliner. Now for the lower lash line, I'm going to be lining my lashes with the Jordana 12-hour Made to Last liner. I don't know why I said Now to complete this look, I'm going to be using the M.A.C lipstick in the color Whirl. You can use like any kind of nudie. Actually, I'm going to go very lightly with this because this is actually a little darker than I was wanting to go. I'm going to stay like in that pale type of shade underneath, or just maybe line your lip. And then I'm going to go on top with like a gloss. Again, this is from Wet n Wild. This is from the Fergie collection. I don't even know if they sell this anymore, but I still have this and I use it every now and then. I really like the color. It is in the shade Legendary Face. So guys, this is the final look. I hope you guys like it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and there will definitely be more makeup videos coming very, very soon. I have some really cool stuff I do want to share with you guys, and I have a really, 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 really exciting giveaway coming up super soon in the next like couple of months. I can't really talk about it right now because it's still kind of early, but I'm definitely gonna have something super, super exciting for you guys. I know you guys are gonna be like, bitch, and I just can't wait for the reactions that I'm going to get from you guys, because this is a super exciting giveaway. Yeah, honey, I'm really digging this eye look. If you guys like it, let me have a thumbs up. If you guys have any questions, make sure you guys ask me down in the comment box below. Like always, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share this video with somebody who might find it useful, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, y'all. Lazy and broke. No, we get this money, so I guess I can't come.